So Clovis is being like super ornery with me today. Aren't ya? I got him up, made him his breakfast, and then he didn't want to eat it. And now, okay, watch this. Get your breakfast. Get your breakfast. Get your breakfast. What's wrong with you? Why are you trying to bite Mama? I gave you breakfast. What are you doing, booby? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh. What did I do that made you so mad? What did I do? Why are you mad at me? What did Mommy do? What'd I do? What's wrong with you? It's a good thing he don't fly and he don't get on the floor, because I think he'd be attacking me today. I'm just gonna walk over to his food dish again. There you go. That's me and Clovis today. I'm gonna touch your food dish. I'm gonna touch it.